Looking for cistern repair and installation services in Edmonton? A damaged or inefficient cistern can lead to water waste, system failures, and costly repairs. At Kingstree Plumbing, we provide expert cistern repairs and professional installations to ensure your water storage system runs efficiently and reliably. With years of experience serving Edmonton, we understand the local water systems and infrastructure. Whether you need a quick repair, a full cistern replacement, or a brand new installation, our certified professionals deliver fast, high-quality, and affordable solutions. Don't let cistern issues affect your home or business. Call us now, or book online today for trusted cistern repair and installation in Edmonton with Kingstree Plumbing.